Hey y'all, this is Tina Marie with Create Your Own Shine. I'm bringing you this laundry hack video just to make your little laundry area more presentable. My area is super small. I have this side, and then I have a pantry, and then I have my washer and dryer in the same pantry area. So I do live in a small apartment area building. So I'm having to deal with what I got, right? And so this is how I made my little living space more presentable. I have my Gain pods in here, my Tide pods, my OxyClean, and my scent beads. All this I found, not the the Gain pods and the Tide pods I did not buy at Dollar Tree, but the candy containers I got at the Dollar Tree. They're in the area where there are like utensils and party stuff, like stuff to throw a party, in that section of the Dollar Tree. So they have large ones and they do have small ones. Now the small one I used for my scent beads. I did originally have them in this water bottle container that I got at Dollar Tree, and it worked really well. Don't get me wrong, it did. It did its job. It was awesome. I would just pour what I needed to pour. I don't use a lot. So I ended up getting a smaller one, and this one's been working great. See, and I use like one, maybe like half sometimes. It depends on my load. I either use a large one, a whole one, or a half, and that goes a long way. And it's mixed in with Gain scent beads and some little crystals that I found, like this crystal smell things for the laundry. And I got those at the Dollar General, and they work great. They smell the same. They smell exactly the same. So I got, like, it's like the Gain, I don't even know. I can't even tell you. It's a blue one. And I mixed in with like some blue scent crystals that I got at the Dollar General, and you can find them in the dollar section. The OxyClean, I used to use OxyClean all the time. However, it was super expensive. So I started getting the Dollar Tree, the Oxy. It's like an Oxy container, and it's a blue top. I believe they do have an orange one as well, but I get the blue one, and it has it with 3 of those. It fills up this container, and you're talking about $1.25 each versus $8.90 something for just a small little container of OxyClean. The Tide pods and the Gain pods, I usually use my coupons, so I get those pretty often. And I mix in some other pods that I use too. So these are, I think, are Purex. But yeah, this is how I bougied it up a little bit. My scoopers, guys, reduce, reuse, recycle. I get Lipton tea quite often, or like the large containers of Kool-Aid. I don't remember if they have a scoop or not. I just know that this was from my tea container, and I saved it. I was like, oh, you know what? I think I can use that for something. And here is the example right here. I use them for my little scoopers. So if you have scoops, save them. They are gonna go a long way with with what you have them for. This little guy I got at the Dollar Tree too, and I don't know what exactly it's for. I think it's just a little container. Well, it fits your dryer sheets quite well, and this is a whole, like, it fits a whole box. This was a whole box, and I'm already almost through. And I get the Downy, like the purple one. It smells super good. So get you one of these. I use decals for mine, but you can always get like stickers from the Dollar General or Dollar Tree and do your own thing, you know? Make your own little labels. Also, I found these little bins at Dollar Tree too. They are little trash cans, and they are about, like, my hand is not that big, right? So let's put it next to this water bottle thing. They're about that big, right? So they're a good size. Now, for me, I use these often, and I'm going to show you my lint. My lint is in there. This guy works awesome. I just did another little decal. One, like, you can use it. I had it to where, this is my thinking. You can use it this way to where it's like, pretty nice. Or you can just use it plain and simple to turn it the other way. But I switch it often because I'm always throwing my lint. So it ends up turning around. So you could either use it this way, simple, or you can use it nice and fancy. That's how I made it. Bleach. I use this bleach I got at the Dollar Tree. And it's, again, a big bang for your buck right here. And I put it in this little container. Tell me why? Because my washer, it is filled with clothes right now. I would show you. But my washer area, like the hole is like this big, right? So you have to imagine pouring bleach into the little hole. If you're like a fast person, like you would just hurry up, try to get things done. I'm a mommy of 5 kids, so I'm constantly going. So when you're trying to like hurry up and they're calling you, mom, I need this, mom, I need that. Hello, you're gonna make a mess. I'm a mess maker. So what I did to make my life easier, I got this little squeezy container, condiment container. Now you can use this one, or you could just use like whatever floats your boat. But this has worked well for me because, again, my little bleach area is small, so this worked out. This one is, I used to buy Shout. I can't even speak. Shout. I used to buy the Shout brand, and I was like going through that thing like crazy because grass stains. You're talking about nosebleeds. My daughter is constantly having nosebleeds, because of like different, like she's just sensitive with her nose. Everything, like, you name it, it's on all my kids' clothes. Chocolate, food. I was going through that thing like crazy, and buying this $1.25, it works exactly the same. You pre-treat, of course, and for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you wash. Amazing. So I don't have nothing beautiful to put in there. I mean, I guess you can put it in one of those like dollar nice looking, what's it called, spray bottles that they have at the Dollar Tree. Make it look nicer. But that's what I got for you guys. If you have more hacks, hit me in the comments. If you have anything else that y'all guys want to see, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe so I can help boost my channel up there, guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, again, hit me up in the comments. I am here. I'm ready. Y'all have a blessed day. Besitos y bendiciones. Thank y'all. God bless.